Hello, everybody. My name is Kween, and this piece is called No Justice, No Peace. On June 6th, 2020, Guelph made history with its Black Lives Matter March in Solidarity, hosted by the Guelph Black Heritage Society. Myself, with 8 other organizers, worked diligently and tirelessly for this protest to happen in light of the murder of George Floyd and the police brutality that has been continuing for 400 plus years. When I look at this photo, I'm reminded of the pain, the sorrow, the grief, the anger, and the frustration that we have been feeling for so long. But I'm also reminded about the hope and the pride and the power and the passion that our community has always had in our Black, Indigenous, and people of color. When I look at this sign for Not Another Black Life, or the signs stating names of those we've lost to police brutality, I am taken back. I'm sad. I feel the pain and the weight of my ancestors and those who have come before me and will come after me. When I look at this picture, I see my fellow brothers and sisters, our Indigenous community, and our people of color who are grieving and are fighting for not just civil rights, but equal rights, to be heard, to be seen, to be felt. So today, as you go through this exhibit, what I ask of you is to take back and feel, to resonate, to educate yourself on what more that we can do for our community and to support our BIPOC lives. Today, I ask you to be present and take a moment of silence and solidarity of the lives that we have lost. And I ask you to do the hard work that is needed to continue this fight and to continue working as a community, Black, Indigenous, people of color, and our white allies, so that we can unite and push forward as a humankind. This is not the time to be complacent. My name is Kween, and this piece is No Justice, No Peace.